Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about panel parameterization, which is under the ceiling. Okay, mostly do on the wall. Okay, for example, you can see sheet parameterization, and you can see the wall panel. Mostly for wall panel, you can simply just drag a pattern. Okay, it will automatically apply to the wall. Okay, you can click on it, you can change the pattern. You see, you can change the pattern as you want. You can click here, select 1, 2, 3, or you can click here, change it, click here, change it, separate it, also can. Okay, or you can just right click also, click all, you can change all the material. For example, I'm gonna choose for wall panel, maybe I choose marble, this one, choose, let's see, or right click, or maybe I change another one, this one. So it may help you in design. Okay, you can change here also. This one is the line, Okay, maybe you don't want black color, then you can choose another color. Okay, like wood also, you can use wood texture also. For example, this one, maybe this one, wood texture. Okay, and change it also, or material, change it to wood texture also. And do this one. So you can play a lot of pattern by using this one, or even you can double click, you can edit it, or changing the size also if you want. Okay, just click T lah. This one is a ceiling function, as you guys should know. Okay. You can change size also if you don't want. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye.